Hello, Cartman Productions. Today, the Roadkill gets reversed. 9% sure I just fixed it. We need to. So we're going to start our meticulous little journey here by pulling the reverse box off of here and seeing if we can't clean it up and get it functioning properly again. Alright, so I am 99% sure I just fixed it. Yeah, that quickly. All I had to do, so to get in there, I had to remove the return spring. So I'm going to get either a shorter or a less powerful version of this return spring so that when I try to pull it into reverse, it doesn't snap my cable. The reverse box is fully functioning. All I need to do is operate it with a pair of pliers right now, but I'm going to get a smaller version of this spring to get it properly working. For now, we're going to test it real quick. That's awesome. All we need to do is get a lighter spring and hook up the cable.
Well, that was pretty sweet.
You were pretty sweet.
We need to, well, I am pretty sweet, but,
He's such a jokester. Just so you guys know, that board's in there to keep the seat back up and away from the battery contacts. Oh yeah, we got some brackets. Kudos to Ballard Golf and Power Sports. Thank you, Ballard Power Sports. Golf and Power Sports, actually. Whatever. We're going to call them Ballard Power Sports. It's easier to say. We're going to go ahead and get that lighter spring, get her installed, get a cable hooked up, and we're going to have reverse.